Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a box here from Madam Glam with some brand new products in it. We've got brand new builder gel colors, and I am so excited to open all of these up and show them to you. And my next client is Amanda, and I think I might put one of these on her. So I'm gonna let her look at these and pick one. She's gonna pick one of these too. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's either gonna be this one or this one.
Are they the really plain ones?
They're the shimmery ones. And then there's also a shimmer white. So I'm really excited for the glittery ones. And then we have 3 new cream colors here. I will link my last video on these, and I demonstrate how to make a baby boomer out of them. It's so easy to do. They're beautiful. And their clear gel is amazing for encapsulating. I still need to do a video on that. But it's got a really low level heat spike to it, so it's a great gel for encapsulating, and it levels really great. It's not, I wouldn't say it's like super hard to use, so it's beginner friendly, you know, like it's just great. Good viscosity, good colors, good gel, low heat spike, all the good stuff. So I'm gonna open up all these colors and show them to you. Let's start with the creams. We have a light purple, a light lavender, and a rose pink. So this is the light purple, and they've got little pull tabs on them here, which make them so easy to open. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. It's almost like a pinky purple. Reminds me of the color Popsicle. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, I like that. Gorgeous. Let's stick with the purple theme and do the light lavender. Again, a nice little pull tab. You just got to get it up there, and then it just pulls off so easily. I say that and then I rip it. Ooh, look at how pretty. That is gorgeous. And then rose pink. This is probably like a warm tone pink. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Again, it's like a little bit purpley, but here is it next to light purple. It's coming up a little off in camera, but close. That was rose pink. Now we'll do the shimmers. This is shimmer white. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So I got my flash on, so hopefully you can see that. Look at the shimmer in that. That is gorgeous. Again, you could do a baby boomer with these and use the shimmers instead of the creams. So lots and lots of options. Here is the shimmer pink. So excited to see these. Oh, that is a nice, pretty, bright pink. Same kind of shimmer as in the white. It's just like a kind of fine iridescent shimmer. And last but not least, the shimmer nude, which I'm the most excited about. Oh my. So not exactly what I was expecting. It's a little taupey nude, but it's super pretty. So those are the new colors. We'll see which one Amanda picks, and I'm gonna put it on her, and I will show you maybe a little bit of that process and definitely the finished result.
Oh,
ready to pick a color?
I'm ready.
Okay, here is the, wait, I'm gonna show you the pink.
Don't talk about my nails in the comment section.
Well, they're getting done. That's like there's the pink one. She's shot that down.
That's really
She said
pink.
Too bright. It'll be a little bit softer, like it's like concentrated.
Okay.
So it'll be just a little bit softer when it goes on the nail. Do you like that one?
I don't know how I feel about it. I have mixed feelings. I love the sparkle.
Yeah. Here's the
I feel
white.
like that'll look almost like a clear with just a little bit of a tint to it.
There's the white one.
On.
Which it's like a milky white. Like again, they're all kind of, here I'll show you.
Yeah.
A little bit.
I feel like probably that one.
Because we can paint over them as well.
Yeah.
So these make great bases. You can get an idea of what like the color kind of looks like. on there. It's actually a little bit softer.
Yeah, I like that one.
Okay.
Oh, you want to just move my hand in?
Oh, no. Go ahead. We finished and my battery died. But this is the finished result, and she's had like 3 clients since, so she's banged them. I just put another top coat on them to shine them back up, but the color is so pretty. It doesn't look super nudie colored. I think it's more of a taupe gray, don't you think?
I do. I definitely see the gray undertone, but whatever it is, color you want to call it,
it's pretty.
It's beautiful. The sparkle in it is perfect.
Yeah. So I love this product. It is so easy to use. It's thick enough to where it doesn't run, but it self-levels like a dream. It's really, really nice. I like it a lot. And she's a nail tech, so she's going to wear it, and we'll see, like, you know, how good it wears. As good as any product can for a nail tech. So,
and I'm difficult because my nails are pincher.
Yeah, they like really pinch. So we almond her.
Show them that one. Look at that, guys. Be jealous.
So we almond them out to like keep them, because when they're square, they just seem like they're so extremely C-curved that, yeah. But, yep, that is the new colors from Madame Glam. And if you guys want to see a full video on me doing her nails, I'm going to post that separately. And yeah, if you want to check out the products, they are linked in the description box. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you later. Bye.